Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. When your hotel collection studio scent diffuser stops working, it can be confusing because this compact model is usually very consistent and quiet during operation. You might notice there's no scent coming out, no response from the controls, or the unit seems powered but inactive. In most situations, this isn't a serious defect. It's often related to how the bottle is installed, how the airflow system is functioning, or a small setup issue that prevents the diffuser from running. Because the studio model is designed for smaller spaces, it relies on precise internal alignment to work properly. Even a slight misplacement can stop the scent output completely. The good part is that you can fix it quickly by checking a few key areas. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to fix your studio diffuser step by step, and try these. Step 1. Confirm the diffuser is connected to power and turned on properly. Step 2. Restart the unit by unplugging and reconnecting it. Step 3. Open the diffuser and make sure the scent bottle is seated correctly. Step 4. Inspect and clean the internal outlet. Step 5. Close the diffuser securely so all parts are aligned. Step 6. Turn it back on and check if scent output resumes.